Meal prep is not always about cooking. To set myself up for the week, sometimes it's really helpful to get the beverages ready to go. I love these lids. This is a wide mouth lid that goes on any standard wide mouth canning jar. And it has a spout and a little handle, so it's perfect. So here's what I have. I have my nut milk ready to go, easy to pour. Don't get it all over the counter like I used to. I have some pineapple tea that I made this weekend, and it's ready to go. And I've got a nice coffee ready to go. Isn't that cute? Ready to go. So any wide mouth, it's going to hold these great jar lids. It comes as a set of 4, so I have one more to go here. And there's 2 colors in the set, the red and the blue. So if I make 2 different kinds of milk, or if I have regular and decaf, I can easily color code. They were thoughtful enough to give you an extra washer in case you need it. But these seal perfectly. No spilling here. They're perfect, and they are just a great solution. So to set yourself up ready for the week, this is a great way to do it.